Hi, in this video, we'll continue our discussion. Last time, we've talked about hand decomposition theorem. So here's the concept of hand decomposition. For hand decomposition for V, the hand decomposition for V is a decomposition of X into the union of two disjoint sets A and B, for which A is positive for V and B is negative for V. So, katong na-discuss nato last time sa hand decomposition sa theorem. So, katong positive set A, unya, itong naimo exist na negative set B pod nga pag-union kay X, pag-intersect kay disjoint, empty, so meaning disjoint ang duha. So, that decomposition, so the decomposition of X into positive set A and negative set B, for which A union B is X and its intersection is empty. So, katong decomposition or breakdown sa X into two disjoint sets, A which is positive and B is negative. So, this decomposition is called the hand decomposition of X. So, yung ana, no, mga kuan. So, it turns out that in this theorem that there exists a positive set A and negative set B, for which we can break down X into A and B such that A intersection B is empty. So, nagay mo exist niya na, no? So, that's the hand decomposition. So, ang X matunga na to. In other words, ang X matunga na to where A is positive and B is negative. So, next is Jordan decomposition. So, for the Jordan decomposition, for hand decomposition, X ang i-decompose. For Jordan decomposition, ang signed measure ang i-decompose. Now, before we discuss that one, so allow me to discuss this prerequisite discussions. If we have this one as a hand decomposition, so let this be a hand decomposition for V. Okay, decomposition for V. Then we define two measures, V positive, V negative, with V equals V positive minus V negative. Okay, so we will define V positive as the measure of E intersection A, and so kaning E kay kuan ni siya measurable subset of, so ang E dire kay element ni siya ni kuano. Okay, so obviously E is a subset of X. Okay, so let's define this as this one, the measure of the intersection of AB. And for the negative, we have the negative of V of E intersection B, right? So, yan ano? So, ma-notice na to nga ang kaning V kay mo ni siya, nya ang kani mo ni siya, nya this one. So now V is defined as the difference of V plus minus VI. So, i-show na to na karon, no? Anyway, let's discuss first mutually singular measures. Now, two measures, V sub 1 and V sub 2 on this measurable space are said to be mutually singular. So, in symbols, inani siya, mutually singular measures, signed measures. If there are disjoint measurable sets A and B, for which we have this one, ang union kay X, and for which V sub 1 of A and V sub 2 is equal to 0. So dere, ang i-show na to nga ang V, okay, so allow me to erase this one. So, i-show na to nga ang kini kay ang kaning V o kani V plus o V minus kay kuha na sila mga mutually singular. Okay? Kano sa ito mga mutually singular if there are disjoint measurable sets A and B nga pag i-substitute nimo siya sa V1 unya ang B i-substitute sa V2 kay ma-zero. Now, since ang V, let's say ang V ay nato kay moning V plus. Okay, unya ang naatay disjoint measurable sets A and B. Okay, so in this case ang gabito nato kay katudjong hand decomposition AB. So i-substitute nato si B, no? Si B dere. Okay. B, remember, is actually ang AB kay kuan man siya measurable, no? Ang AB measurable. So V, so we have B intersection of A. We know that this is V. Disjoint man siya, no? Ang AB kay decomposition man, so empty. So pag empty, 0. How about V minus? So i-substitute na to si A. So we have negative V of A intersection B, negative. So again, this is empty. So pag empty, negative so 0 na siya. Alright, so 0. So meaning ang V, which means to say that V plus and V minus are equal, and so these are mutually singular. So ang V plus o V ay kay mutually singular. Okay? So muna siya, no? And now we will show that kani siya nga decomposition kay kuan gyud, no? Kini gyud kay mo equal gyud siya sa V. Okay? Using this definition, this is using how we define V plus and V minus. Okay? Okay, now let's show that this breakdown here is really this side, right side, is equal to the left side, no? So ang V, so ano V plus E, alright, V plus E minus V negative of E. Okay, so ang V plus, kabalo naman tayo ng V plus E, no? So that is V of E, then intersection A, then kay minus man siya, so mahimong plus na dahil na siya. So ma V E intersection B. Remember that this one and this one are disjoint, no? Okay, tanaw na to siya. So breakdown na to na siya, morning A, morning B, anya let's say natay E, right? So ang kini mo ni siya ang E intersection A, right? Kani siya nya ang kini mo ni siya. So disjoint ning duha pag since measure man ang V, so meaning pag disjoint, di ba? Pwede mabulag, no? So meaning ko ano siya na additivity niya, no? Disjoint additivity. Okay, kay bulag man siya, so ang measure sa kinatibuk-an equal ra pud sa measure sa matag usa. So mo na ni siya. Then imo lang na siya padayon, this is so pwede nimo mausa, no? So that becomes this one, E intersection A, then union of E intersection B na siya, eventually mahimo ni siyang E intersection of the union of these two. Okay, then V is E siya intersection. Ang A union B kay X na siya. Since ang E kay subset, so meaning V is E. Okay? So nakita na to nga ang kini o kini kay equal jud. So mo ni siya. Alright? So in other words, gitunga lang na gibuak lang nato ang V into two measures, no? Kani bago nga measure kini as defined by this, no? Respectively. So gitunga gibuak lang nato ang measure, no? Mo nang value sa matag usa. So this is the Jordan decomposition theorem. So let V be assigned measure on the measurable space, no? Then there are two mutually singular measures V plus and V on this measurable space. Kini o kini are defined as kini o kini respectively, okay? For which this one, na-show na naman ito ang equal na. Okay? Moreover, there is only one such pair of mutually singular measures. So, unique daw ang kaninga breakdown, no? There is only one such pair of mutually singular. So, kini daw o kini nga pair kay unique lang, walay lain. Okay? So, simply put, the Jordan decomposition, gibuak lang nato ang V into two unique measures V plus and V minus as defined by this and this respectively. Okay? And it is unique. Mo to siya. There's a unique pair. So, walay lain nga pag-breakdown na to, no? Pag-breakdown, mo na gid to siya. Unique na gid. Walay lain nga pair. Now, the decomposition of signed measure V given by this theorem is called the Jordan decomposition. So, kung so i-decompose na tong V into V plus and V minus. So, that is the Jordan decomposition of V. Ang hand decomposition katong X ang gitunga sa Jordan kay katong V ang gitunga, no? So into this, no? Okay? So the measure V, so gigamit atong concept ni ko hand decomposition para mo come up sa Jordan decomposition. So okay, so we will discuss additional concepts here. The measure, this one, is defined on this one, that is the algebra, no? Sigma algebra. Okay, now it is defined as V, which is equal to V plus, kabalo naman taon sa tong V plus, no? Kay V plus, anak man to. Itong anak, no? Intersection A. Where A and B, A and B are just X and disjoint sila. So, muna siya, plus daw nimo sa V plus E for all E which is a member of our sigma algebra. So, mga measurable gin ang pangbutang. Okay. The concept of total variation, nagyapon siya. Now, the concept of total variation, that's V, kani X, ginang gibutang. Okay, that is equal to, kani nga symbol, which is equal to the supremum of the sum. Okay, supremum sa sum, where the supremum is taken over all the finite disjoint collections. Okay, so, tanan mga finite disjoint collection, gipang ingani siya nya kwaon ang supremum mao na dayon to ang atoang so that is the total variation, the concept of total variation here. Now allow me to give an example here of Han and Jordan decomposition. So let this f be a function, of course, from R to R, that is Lebesgue measure integrable over R. Okay? So, ang R nato diri, mo to ang atong X, no? For a Lebesgue measurable set E, we will define VE. So, mo ni ang signed measure. Equal daw siya sa kini. Sa Lebesgue measure. Lebesgue integral, no? Okay. So, it is already shown that V is a signed measure. So, nasatisfy na tong tulo, no? Katong first condition nga at most one of the values is pwede finite, pwede katong ana, or katong ana ang value for VE. And secondly, katong of course ang V empty, well empty is kuan siya, no? Member man siya sa sigma. So pag V empty, so sa siya pag empty f of dm, so of course that is 0. So satisfied tong second. And thirdly, katong disjoint, no? So naman ni property ang integral, no, nga Lebesgue integral na pag kuan disjoint kay mabulag rapod, no? So masatisfy tong ikatulo. Okay? So na may inani nga property ang Lebesgue, gitawag siya og countable additivity of integration. So inana man tong dagway, no? So kung E siya, then f dot is ano, no, of course mabulag man to sa n to infinity nya kuan dayon E sub n nya f. Ang E sub n kay mga disjoint na siya nga disjoint subsets of E, no? Pag imo ning iyon yung tanan mga ENs mo equal na siya sa E. Okay? So in other words, ang property number 3 masatisfy ani nga measure as defined by this, no? So that's why V is a signed measure on a measurable space R L, script L. So ang kuan day dapat L, yan siya script L. Okay, define. So ang gihimo niya diri, gi-define niya ang A as the set of all x in R such that f of x is greater than or equal to 0. So gitunga niya, no? So gitunga niya. So ingana, no? So mo ni ang real number line, mo ni ang real numbers. So gitunga niya. So kana unya ang B pod kay katong mga x nga such that f of x is less than 0. Okay, so mo nang A, mo nang B. So mo na siya, no? And define that, and it turns out that this A and B here is actually the Hahn decomposition of R. Okay. Okay, kay kuan man ni siya, complement man ni, no? No, kung iyon po nimo ning duha, of course mo na R. Okay? Kung imo po ning intersect, okay? Intersect kay kuan po ni siya, empty. Okay? So now, so na tayo Hahn decomposition as defined by A and B in this example. Now, let us define that for each Lebesgue measurable set E, so natay ing ani. So ang kini gi-breakdown siya, no? So ato ni reason sa. So kani gi-breakdown into VE and EV. V plus o V minus, no? Okay? So ing ana. So mo man na siya ang A, mo ni siya ang B, nya mo man ni siya ang ato ang E. Okay? So gi-breakdown lang siya bali, no? So ang VE, okay, so mo man na siya ang E, f of dm. So kini og kini, no, ang kini og kini kay mga kuan ra ni siya, kanang decomposition ra ni siya ni E. Okay, so pwede ra din nato na masulat as disjoint decomposition siya. So pwede nato na masulat as E intersection A of F dm. Okay, so plus man na siya. So we have this one, E intersection of B F of dm. So of course may mo na siyang ingana, no, E intersection A F, I'm sorry, so makuan man ni kani dari kay makuan man ni siya dari minus minus, no, so minus minus. So mo na to nga maing-ani siya. Ang kani mo ni siya ang atoang V plus E nya. Ang kini mo ni atoang V of E. Okay, now mo na ayang breakdown. So with respect to, okay, if A and B is a hand decomposition, we have already discussed that one with respect to the signed measure. Moreover, this one, which is this one, is a Jordan decomposition of V. Okay, so mo na niyang Jordan decomposition. So gibuak na pod ang kini into two measures, V plus and V minus. So that's the concept, no, as illustrated in this example of Han and Jordan decompositions. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.